Hey everyone, Hong here, welcome back to the channel. I'm here at BMW Motorrad Singapore's showroom for the 2025 Lunar New Year celebration and open house. Let's go! Alright, once again, welcome back to BMW Motorrad Singapore.
Good morning and very warm welcome to all of you to BMW Motorrad flagship showroom. I'm very proud to share that BMW Motorrad is once again the #1 premium motorcycle brand in Singapore of 2024. And that's the third year running, right? And this is only possible with all your unwavering support. Okay, before we proceed, I know everybody is anxious to have a look at this snake for the low A, right? So I'd like to wish everyone a very prosperous year of the snake, wishing you good fortune, and hope you have a smooth ride through all the three centers of the snake year with confidence and in style. 祝大家12年行大运，财运亨通，什么都旺。Thank you very much.
Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, wow!